Hi guys, welcome to Pilates with Hannah, and today I have a special Magic Circle workout for you. The Magic Circle provides resistance and is an affordable addition for your home workout. So today we're going to focus on your arms, your hips and your legs. And when you're ready, let's roll out your mat and let's do some magic. Alright, so let's start by allow yourself to lie down on your back. So I want you to inhale, keep your back in neutral here, belly button in, and put your legs inside the circle, so just above your knees here. Now keep your legs parallel here. I want you to inhale, arms along your body, so try to bring your legs open and against the resistance from your band and come back. So we try to do it 10 times with your own breath. Keep breathing into your core as much as possible. So inhale, open, and exhale, come back. Inhale, open, and exhale, bring it back. And 7, 6, squeezing your thighs, contract your pelvic floor muscle here. 4, 3, 2, and last one. Now bring your magic circle just above your ankle here and lengthen your leg here. So inhale, open your arms 45 degrees, press it down. Now try to open your legs against the resistance of the circle here. Some couple more times with your own breath. So lengthen your neck and look up to the ceiling, belly button in. And 7, 6, squeezing your thighs into your core as much as possible. So if you want to work your core as well, just put your legs down a little bit more. So the lower your leg is, the more challenging your core is. But make sure that you always keep your back in neutral here, so don't arch your back. And 3, 2, and last time, slowly bend your knee, stretch your hips from left to right. And when you're ready, I want you to inhale, bring your legs around to the other side, your circle inside and just above your ankle again. So this time, activate your feet. Now I want you to inhale and squeeze your leg into the circle here. So inhale and exhale, come back, activate your feet here, and make sure you keep your hips square here, so engage your core and belly button in. Keep breathing. Inhale and exhale, come back. And 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and last one. Slowly bring your legs down. Now inhale deeply through your nose and exhale through your mouth again. Now put your legs inside the circle just above your knees here and in the middle between your knees and your hips. So bring your legs down, keep your feet flat and arms along your body, chin to chest, and slowly draw your hips up. Now this time try to open again the resistance from the band, and we do it a couple more times with your own breath. So squeeze and open, come back. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and last one. Slowly draw your hips down. Now move the circle again just above, under your knees and above, in the middle of your knees and your heels here. So chin to chest and lift it up again. Try to open your whole leg and come back. Couple more times here. Make sure you stabilize your hips, engage your core as much as possible, and inhale, open, exhale, come back. So 6, 5, 4, chin to chest, press your whole arms down, and 2 more times. Last one. Slowly close, draw your hips down and get the circle band out. So from here, I want you to inhale and bring your hand, just hold the magic circle up to the ceiling. Now I want you to inhale and straighten your wrist here, press your feet down and try to push your arm into your circle. And keep breathing. Engage your core, soften your elbows a little bit if you can. So belly button in, inhale deeply and exhale. Keep your back neutral here. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly bring your legs, your arms down. Now inhale deeply. I want you to lift your head and your shoulder off the mat. So bring your arms just along your thighs here. Inhale deeply, chin to chest, lift your chest a little bit more, and inhale deeply, press it, and then lift and come back, press it. So belly button in, exhale every time you reach and press. So you work your arm, your core, and your inner thighs at the same time. Very good. And we try to do it 6, 5, and 4. Keep breathing. 3, 2, and last one. Slowly bring your head and your shoulder down. Shake your hips from left to right. Very good. Now from here, I want you to inhale and lean on one side. So on hands, support your head and put your leg inside the magic circle here again. So this time, I want you to keep your leg parallel and keep your knees 90 degree, belly button in, put your hand in front of the chest. So slowly move up and down. Try to again the resistance from the bend and inhale, lift, exhale down. Couple more times with your own breath. Activate your feet here, really work your butt and your thighs. Keep breathing and 5, 4, 3, 2, and last one. Very good. Now bring it down just between above your ankle and lengthen your leg. So inhale to the front, engage your core and activate your feet. So press it down and come back, squeezing your thighs. Couple more times, say with your own breath, and we do it 7 more times. 6, 5, squeezing your thighs. 4, 3, 2, and last one. Slowly come back, bend your knees 90 degree here and start to make a little pulse with your leg. So keep breathing and 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly bring your legs down and change to the other side, to the side kick series on the other side here. Very good. So one hand support your head and bring your legs inside the magic circle again. So I want you to inhale, keep your legs up and keep your legs parallel to each other here, and the other hand press it down just in front of your chest to make sure that it's stabilize your hips. So activate your feet here, try to reach up and bring it back and really feel your leg and your thighs here. Keep breathing, inhale, lift, exhale down, squeezing the thighs, and couple more times with your own breath. Activate your feet and keep breathing. So 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and last one. Lift and slowly bring it down. Very good. Now from here, I want you to inhale and put your magic circle between, just above your ankle and between your legs. So again, lengthen your legs to the front of the mat here and press your hand in front of your chest again. Make sure that your hips are stabilized and activate your feet. Press it down, come back, press it down and bring it back. Couple more times with your own breath, squeezing the thighs. And 6, 5, stabilize your hips here. 4, 3, 2, and last one. Slowly bend your knees here. Keep your knees 90 degree and we start to do it again. Couple more times and start to make a little pulse here. So I want you to press your bottom leg down to the mat and 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly bring your circle out and bring your legs down. Shake your hips from left to right and slowly allow yourself to sit up. And that's the workout for today. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and please subscribe to see new workout every single day and comment below if you want to see more workout with the magic circle. So see you tomorrow. Bye.